Oh man, that was exciting. Unfortunately though, I'm not sure if I hit that bird or not. He was probably, I want to say he was close to like 50 yards out there. For whatever reason, he got hung up at the top of that hill. He wouldn't come into the decoys. I was getting nervous that he was probably gonna leave, so I made the call and took the shot. I don't think I hit him just based on the way that he ran away, but I'm gonna make sure that I go over there, reviewed the footage, saw where he ran. I'm gonna go and see if, who knows, maybe one BB caught him and just took him a minute to die. It looked like feathers had come off the bird, but it's hard to tell. There's some grass in front of me, so I don't know if it was the grass or if it was in fact the bird. I walked over there, I didn't see any feathers, but now that I have a better idea of the way that he ran, I'm gonna go check and see if we can't get on him. Oh, I blew it on that bird. I'm so mad at myself. Couldn't ask for a better opportunity. You know, that bird read the script, came right into those decoys and the calls. Man, I thought he was a little closer than what he was. After I reviewed the footage and walked back out, I think he was probably closer to like 70 yards. So I misjudged the distance. I'm wondering if I would have had a Tom decoy or a Jake decoy, if he would have came in. It would have been sweet to take that bird down. He was a nice big mature Tom. Nice fan, nice beard, but is what it is. I'm on to the next one now. I heard some gobbles a little bit ago over in this area, so I'm gonna go walk over here and see if I can't get on something. Pretty bummed, needless to say, but it's still early. Fingers crossed we can get back on something. Alright, well, it's close to 10 o'clock. Never found that bird. Never got on another bird. Went back to the truck, ate some lunch. My good friend Jamie, who's also out here hunting, is on the other side of this state property. He just whacked a bird right in the swamp, man. Congrats to you, Jamie. I heard the shot from the truck and asked, sent him a text, asked him if he had shot, and he said it absolutely was. And then he called that sumbitch into the swamp. So he got himself a nice swamp turk. Good for him, man. That's awesome. Maybe with him shooting, he might spook something back onto this side. So I'm hiking back here now, trying to get set up and see if we can't kill a bird on opening day. Okay, so I got a bird on the trail right now. He's strutting. I've called to him a couple times. He won't come. He won't commit. So I'm gonna try to sneak up and take a shot on him. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to record this, so I got the GoPro on. Got the sun to my back. So hopefully I can make this work. Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh. I just crawled on that bird from all the way back over there. Got all the way up here. He freaking had a hen. Must have had her bedded. That was 100% amazing. Oh, I'm walking back to go get my stuff right now. I'm gonna give that bird a minute. Man, I love turkey hunting. I never thought after that first one in the morning that I'd be able to get it done. I can't believe that worked out. The only thing I wish I would have done different is, now that I think about it, I probably had time. I could have set up my other camera, but whatever. What really matters is I got the bird. Oh, man, what a hunt. All right, so I'm all packed up. We're gonna go over there and we're going to get them cleaned out, and I got my bird rope. It's getting hot out. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for joining me on this hunt. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. I love capturing this stuff on film. It just makes everything that much better to be able to share it with you guys. You know, I've been doing YouTube now for quite some time, and it doesn't always work out the way that you hope. It's very tough to self-film your own hunts, but today we made it work. So let's go over here, take some pictures with this bird, and get my gun, head back to the truck. All right. Finally made it back to the car. That was quite a haul out. That was a heavy bird, but right now I'm on my way over to go see Jamie and see his bird. And unfortunately, what sucks, obviously we have to practice social distancing, so we at least want to stop by, say hello to each other, and show each other our birds. So I'm almost to the parking lot, so we'll see him here in a second. All right, so here we are. I got my boy Jamie and his bird. Let's check his bird out real quick. He shot this out of the swamp, like I said. Did an awesome job, man. Want to tell us the story?
He was at one end of the swamp, and I was at the other end, and we started calling at each other, and we met in the middle, and I blasted him.
Can't get any better than that, man. All right, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give us a like. We'll see you on the next one.